Hey everybody, Kevin Breitner with the Cressy team of Remax Real Estate Center. Cressy is an acronym for Complete Real Estate Solutions Investments. We specialize in pre-construction and investment. We help people buy and sell their primary residences all the time as well, but this is where we separate ourselves from the rest and we specialize in something like this. So we want to break it down today in something that we do talk to a lot of our clients about. This is the biggest difference between buying pre-construction versus buying something resale. The hardest thing for people to do is to grasp is about buying something that they can just see, like the floor plans behind me. We can't walk through it. We can't touch it. We don't get to see how things are going to look just yet. We're going to pick out finishes and furnishings or finishes and touches and everything like that down the road. But for right now, you're buying a unit, whether it's a condo, a townhouse, a detached house, semi, a custom house, whatever. We have to do everything off of a plan. So we're going to talk in this video today about breaking them down, understanding what some of the drawings are and what it means and what we can do and how they all lay out, just to take a little bit of the unknown away from you. If you have any questions, always reach out to us, but I'm going to share my screen now and we're going to look at a few different floor plans just to break some things down for you. Hope you enjoy. Here we are. We're looking at a nice, simple one-bedroom floor plan. Let's go through some of the things that might be new to you or that we should look at that help us read this. Okay, so up at the top, obviously this is your balcony. It says so right there, nice and simple, and it's going to have a railing going all the way around it. It's going to show you dimensions, 10 feet from here to here and 5 feet 6 inches from here to here. Okay, so you can see those dimensions all over the place. You can see it in the bedroom here, and it obviously does not include this, which is a closet. So your dimensions are just going to go from here to here, okay? So this here, coming onto the balcony, is a sliding door. This builder has actually written sliding door there for you, but this is normally the picture that you see is just this, and you can see the little overlap here and the door that must slide one way or the other. Your living area here, now they've used soft lines and hard lines. The soft lines are just showing you how you can live in the space. The hard lines are how the unit is actually going to be turned over to you. The kitchen here is a wall kitchen. You can see it all along the one wall here. Your fridge, your stove, the DW, that's obviously your dishwasher and your sink. Now the dishwasher is done in a dotted line because it's going to be either sold to you or gifted to you, or they put it in a package or an upgrade or whatever, but it does not have to come in any new build. It is not a necessity to run a household where a fridge, actually fridge doesn't need to be either. But anyways, that's there for you. So it shows you which way the doors all open. This DW here is not dishwasher again, it's washer and dryer. So this is going to be your laundry area, and then you can see your bathroom down here. That's a 4-piece. You can see by the tub the way that that's laid out. Let's go on over here, and we're going to look at a 1-bedroom plus den floor plan. Now this builder has been very basic with their floor plans. They're just showing you the blank layout. They didn't use any soft lines. What I do want to show you here is you can see this dishwasher again over here, along with the fridge, the sink, and the stove. Dishwasher is dotted lines. Your closet, and this is a den and a bedroom. So the 1-bedroom plus den is probably the most popular floor plan out of any condominium build, simply because it can be used as this, a 1-bedroom plus den. It can be easily converted normally into a 2-bedroom. They would just kind of kick this out like this and make a wall this way so that you would still be able to enter the bathroom, and they would make a closet, and that's how they would build that den in if they needed to give it a wall to make it a 2nd bedroom. So, you know, a young couple with a kid, they want to make a bedroom or anything like that, that can make sense. This is your laundry room here, and again, you can see your 4-piece bathroom. Now in this floor plan, these walls and what they're doing here, when you see this, this is telling you this is a structural wall. It is a structural wall throughout the entire condominium, and it cannot be removed or else the floors above you won't be supported. So that's what that's showing you there. So that's a 1-bedroom plus den and a nice simple floor plan. Here we're looking at 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a den. This is a very large condo unit here. My guess is it would be somewhere around 1,200 square feet, definitely over 1,000. Might even be closer to 1,400. Anyways, that doesn't matter. What we're going to look at here is a couple things. You can see this builder again has decided to use soft lines to show you how to live in the space. Again, we look at this den here. This can easily be closed off and made into a 3rd bedroom right here if you wanted to do that. or office or anything. Getting out onto this balcony, you can see it's a swinging door. It is not a sliding door like our other one. Your kitchen, again, is the same thing. It's showing you everything the same. Your bathrooms are a little bit different here. You can see this one here is a 4-piece like we've been seeing, but this one over here is a little bit different. Now, the difference here is what this is telling you is this is a 3-piece shower, so a 3-piece bathroom, so a stand-up shower only. And here's your laundry area. This one here is giving you a little bit of square footage in the room as well, so you get a little bit of space, not just like a closet like the other one. Now, I don't know if you've noticed in the other floor plans that we've been looking at, but they've all had it, and I haven't mentioned it yet, but it's this right here. Have you seen that in the other floor plans? This is probably the most common question I get, and it's right over here in this unit. It's actually here twice. What this is this is your mechanicals, your heating and your cooling. So that is a question I get all the time. What is it? Where is it? It has been in the other floor plans as well. If you noticed it and was wondering what it is, that's what it is. So let's move on now from the 2 bedrooms and bath to a townhome floor plan. There are many different types of townhouses, different layouts, different styles, and anyways, we're just trying to show you some things here. So this one here has something new that we haven't seen yet. One, we have a mechanical room right here, because there is no basement. This model here is what we call slab on grade. It does not have a basement, so they don't have to dig a hole or pour a foundation. These are very quick to build. But you walk in right here on your main level, your foyer, your powder room, and your mechanical room right there. Now this here along the side, it's on all 3 diagrams. These are your stairs going up from floor to floor. So that's what this is here along the side. You can see everything here in your kitchen as they've labeled everything as they're going to be having. You have pantry options here. They're putting the dishwasher and sink in an island. Now, this builder did not use soft lines at all. So this island is definitely here because we can see that they have mechanicals and plumbing in it. But I'm very sure that none of these hard lines are going to come with the unit. They're just showing you how the space is here. Again, all builder agreements are made 100% in the builder's favor. Whenever we have questions or uncertainties, we need to make sure that it is agreed upon between both sides, and that it is agreed upon between both sides, and that it's written in the agreement of purchase and sale that makes it for sure that it's going to happen. Wood privacy fence on both sides, and you have a rear back patio, 215 square feet. This square footage will not count towards your actual square footage of your unit. It would only be the interior square footage space that would be talked about. Now, this is your second floor. We come up to this floor. As you can see, there is a balcony here. Walk off from this bedroom or den. Right here, you can see, as we were talking about from the first one, this is a sliding door. See the dark line to the dark line, light line, light line. That is a sliding door, again, walking out onto that balcony. So that's going to be over top of here. These stairs here will have a canopy roof over top of them. Now you can see that this bathroom here is a 4-piece bathroom. That's a tub, right? And then here is your laundry area, washer, and dryer. See a little X here, not mechanicals. Don't worry, that's not what that is. That is actually a laundry chute. So that is a laundry chute. So you drop in from your walk-in closet right down into your laundry area. How awesome is that? We then have your master bath. This is a huge glass shower. As you can see, there is a glass door walking in. And then we have his and her sinks. And then down here, your master bedroom, and it's actually no longer called the master. It is now called the primary bedroom. So this is the primary bedroom. Lastly, we're going to finish with a detached floor plan. This just has a couple things that we haven't talked about yet, but we've pretty much covered everything. When we're walking in here, you're going to have your front porch into your front door. Going through here, this is a living area. One thing about this, they don't have a hallway closet or anything right here. That would be something that I would want to have. But anyway, we're going through this. Sorry. Dining area up at the top. Kitchen. Over here, we can see the layout. You've been told about all of this already. We got a powder room and a stand-up shower there. This is a garage, a 2-car garage. So what's missing from this picture is actually the basement. The basement would be this size here. It would not be excavated where the cars are, where the garage is. It would just be poured concrete under there for the cars to sit on. It would not be excavated. So the basement would be this size. It would come unfinished, and all that would be down there would be your mechanicals, right? Your water heater and your furnace, as well as you should get a roughed-in bathroom, just so you can add that in one day, as well as a sump pump if you're in a certain area, or any area really. Up to the main floor, as you can see, these are the stairs again. As we get up here, we have 3 bedrooms up here. Again, your primary bedroom. Now this here says open below. I know we haven't seen that yet. What that's saying is that from this area here, from the living area all the way up to the 2nd floor ceiling, is a big, huge open area. So a nice, huge ceiling. Walking out here is going to be a terrace, which is going to be over top of your garage. As you can see, it maps out that way, and you're going to have an entrance to here. So those are the floor plans that we're looking at there, folks. Hey everybody, Kevin Breitner with the Cressy team of RE/MAX Real Estate Center. Cressy is an acronym for Complete Real Estate Solutions Investments. We specialize in pre-construction and investment. We help people buy and sell their primary residences all the time as well, but this is where we separate ourselves from the rest, and we specialize in something like this. So we want to break it down today, and something that we do talk to a lot of our clients about. This is the biggest difference between buying pre-construction versus buying something resale. The hardest thing for people to do is to grasp is about buying something that they can just see, like the floor plans behind me. We can't walk through